So let's talk about it, Kristy. I didn't file a claim last year.
Yeah.
Why is my insurance going up?
Yeah. And unfortunately, it's just how it works, you know? I mean, and I think you and I talked about this earlier. People understand this concept when it comes to their health insurance, but a lot of people don't necessarily get that really your property insurance works much the same. There's one big pot of money out there, and everybody has to get paid out of it. So while you may not have filed a claim, you didn't get a ticket, you haven't had an accident, it's the situation in the current, certainly in the area that we live in, recently has not been so. Catastrophe claims have continued to rise year over year for probably the last 5 to 10 years. Feel like, just
Mhm.
I'm saying that completely anecdotally, just from living here, but it certainly feels that way, and that impacts everybody's price.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. It's important to keep in mind when we think of insurance is is it pays for everyone's claim, including our own claim, right?
Right. Yep.
When we need it. So not just your personal claims or credit history affect your price, right? Because when it comes to insurance premium, many, many, many factors are included to come up with that price. And one of that
Right.
price is what Christy is mentioning. You might not have file claim on your home, but all your neighbors
All your
have
neighbors
done
did.
that, right? Or maybe, you've been a great driver for all these years. I talked to somebody today, our customer have not had a wreck in 25 years. It's great, but he's dealing with the same issues. He's not a distracted driver,
Yep.
but the people on the road and his zip code is like that.
Yep.
Right? And then the other
Not just
thing,
his zip code. Everywhere I look, there's somebody on their phone while they're driving down the road. It blows my mind.
absolutely. The other thing that might affect it too, guys, it's not just your neighbor's claim or accident, right? If you really think about that, if you live in an area where you drive down the road and you see all these big, shiny, beautiful billboard that says, if they hit you, we will hit them back a lot harder, right? So, all the lawsuits, all the claims. Think about all the uninsured driver that didn't have
Yep.
insurance if they hit you or your neighbor, right? All of the money that we pay into insurance, our policy is paying for all of that.
Yeah.